Traditional data recording requires exporting CSV files and manual processing. This is not only inefficient, but also makes real-time monitoring impossible. Using the Google Sheets API provided by Google, devices can write data directly to cloud-based spreadsheets. No server required. Real-time synchronization, accessible worldwide. So following I will demonstrate how to enable and using Google Sheet API step-by-step in Wecon HMI. Firstly, we need to log into the Google Cloud Console and create the new project. Select the project we just created. Search the Google Sheet API in search bar. Click the first result. Enable the Google Sheet API. Create new credentials. Select the application data. Naming the service account. Select the role as editor. Click on Credentials tab. Enter the services account we just created. Click Keys. Add new key. Directly click Create. Then it would automatically download the key JSON file. We back to the Credentials tab. Copy the service account address. Click Share. Paste the address we just copied. Here we use the jwt.io to generate the example JWT. The expiration time and issue time must be timestamp format. Here we copy the time from the Unix timestamp website. The expiration time has been 3,600 seconds after the issued time. The scope only available for Google Spreadsheets. The issuer should be the client email from the key JSON. Copy the private key. Paste into the private key field. Delete the unnecessary new line. Copy the generated JWT. Then we using the Postman to obtain the example token. Copy and paste the corresponding parameters according to the API document. the request and copy the token we need. Finally, we go to the HMI project to paste the token. And also paste the sheet ID from the URL. Compile the project and download into the HMI. Trigger the Update Sheet button on the HMI screen. Then we can see result come out on the spreadsheet. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.